welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm doing my one and done eyeshadow look featuring the ColourPop Super Shock shadows. I absolutely love the Super Shock shadow formula. Some people don't, some people do. I'm in the party that loves it because I feel like they're really easy to use and create very simple but gorgeous and glamorous eyeshadow looks. So this one and done look features only one of my many Super Shock shadows, but I'm going to swatch a couple for you guys. You can see the other ones that I would use and have used in the past so that you guys can get a better idea of what to do for yourself, because this look is really fun and really easy and everyone can do this. If y'all don't know me, hi, my name is Diana, and once again I have my unsweet tea. This is a large from Swatches, and it is the size of my head. It's way bigger than the Whataburger one though. The Whataburger large is way too small. It's like, that looks like a small from Swatches. This is what a large looks like, ladies and gentlemen. This is a large. Anyways, y'all, let's get into swatching some of my favorite ColourPop Super Shock shadows for this look. I also recently posted in the ColourPop Fanatics page asking what some other people's favorites were and picked up some of those too so that you guys can have a wide range of different shadows to look at, and we're gonna just swatch them. And yeah, if you want to see a video like this again, let me know. But for now, let's get into some swatches and then we will get into the tutorial of this eye look. So first, I'm going to swatch the shadow that is on my eyes. This is the shade Waddles, and it is a really pretty rosy mauve tone. It's really gorgeous. It is a satin shadow. This is one swipe of the product, and I absolutely love this shadow because I feel like it brings out my green eyes, but it has just the right amount of red and purple and brown to give it a really universally beautiful look. Another shade that is discontinued that I love doing this look with is the shade Sunset Boulevard, which is one of the K-pop Super Shock shadows. It's a really pretty pearlized finish. Here is one swipe of this one. And I like this because it's just a really pretty gold, orangey, bronzy shade. It's really gorgeous. It looks a lot deeper on a pale skin tone, but on a medium skin tone this will just look like a wash of color, and so on me it's a little bit darker, but I love it. I think it's just the prettiest. I also grabbed Truth. This is another satin shadow from ColourPop, and this one is very light, but one of the reasons I love doing looks with this is because it is just such a simple warm tone shade, so it looks really natural and really quick, and it's great for just like a quick day. If you have a deeper skin tone, this is going to look a lot lighter on your skin. I would almost recommend going in with 1 or 2 shades darker than your skin tone. I think it'd be really pretty, or 1 or 2 shades lighter, but I love this tone on my fair skin. I think it works really well. And then similarly, I have the shade Smash, and this is just a cool tone version of Truth. And it's a little bit deeper, and I think this will also show y'all another deeper option. Hopefully these swatches are focusing. I don't have a viewfinder, so my camera sometimes doesn't focus. This is the shade Lala, and this is a really pretty, just warm bronzy shade with a little bit of a red undertone. This is a ultra metallic finish, and it's gorgeous. These are so creamy, and one of the reasons I'm not showing y'all matte shades is because I feel like the matte shades can dry up, and so they're not my favorite to use, and because they don't have kind of a satin finish to them, they look very one-dimensional on the eye. But I do love using my mattes as well, like Brady and Hanky Panky are gorgeous, but today we're focusing on the satins, the ultra metallics, and the pearlized. So now I'm going to show y'all Weenie, which is very similar to Lala, but it has a little bit more red in it, and it's awfully pretty. It is a pearlized shadow, and it's gorgeous. I personally lean more towards the satins, but some of these more metallic shades can be so fun, especially for a night out or a date. And finally, we had to get into a couple of glitter shades because these were 2 that were recommended from the ColourPop page. The first is Birthday Cake. This is a really pretty pink with silver glitter, and I was watching one of the ColourPop videos and they were talking about how silver is what makes the products from ColourPop look wet and have that blinding flash like Flexitarian, which is what is on my cheeks today. So this, having that silver, gives it that really gorgeous pop. And this all over the eyelid is so gorgeous. The ultra metallic, the ultra glitter actually does have a little bit of fallout, so you will get glitter on your face if you use this shade, but it's awfully pretty. I would just recommend using the shadow first and then going in with your face makeup, whereas the other shadows, there's no fallout, so you're totally fine. Finally, I wanted to show y'all Valley Girl. This is going to be your white gold option. So this shade, Valley Girl, is gorgeous. Gorgeous on really pale skin tones. I love putting this shade all over my sister's eyelid, but it is a perfect champagne with flecks of yellow glitter. And it's not even glitter, it's like that pearlized, it's so pretty. I want to put this all over my face as a highlight. This is one of those shadows that's also being discontinued, but Valley Girl is so unique and so pretty. It would be a perfect inner corner highlight if you have a deeper or medium skin tone, but all over the lid or in the center of your lid, it'll just give you that pop, but it's so gorgeous. So it's really, really pretty. So these are all of the shades that I would recommend and have done looks with, except for Birthday Cake. I've never done a look with Birthday Cake. Yeah, these are all the shadows that I recommend. Sorry, the tones of these are really, really similar, but I would definitely say if you are curious or if you have some that you do yourself, comment them down below so that we can all learn and grow together. And now I've swatched and we've talked, so let's get into the tutorial. So for my one and done eyeshadow look today, I decided to use the shade Weenie from ColourPop. Obviously, I'm only talking about ColourPop shadows, so obviously this is from ColourPop. But as you guys saw in the swatches, this is what Weenie looks like. It's this really beautiful rosy mauve shade, and I thought this would be absolutely gorgeous for all over the lid. And for my look today, I want to keep it a little bit more mauve-y and pinky, and I think it just looks so pretty, especially with green eyes or hazel eyes. If you do have blue eyes, I would recommend going more with gold or bronzy tones, and if you have brown eyes, you can pretty much get away with everything. I mean, you can get away with everything with whatever eye color you have. You do you, girl. Pick whatever shade you want to do. So what I'm going to do first is just pick up Weenie on my ring finger. I just barely dabbed into the product. It's so soft and creamy and smooth and buttery that it really just picks up a ton of pigment. And I'm going to just start by putting this all over the lid. You can build this up as quickly as you want. It's really easy to get a lot of product on your finger, but I like doing a slow and gradual build to the deepened shade that I would like, especially since we are going to make this look really fluffed out and pretty. If you've been to my channel before, you might know this, but if you are new, I have smaller eyes and smaller eyelids, so I like raising my natural crease a little bit higher because I feel like it makes my eyes look a little bit more intense and bigger and makes the shadow look a lot more evenly distributed. So that is what one eye looks like for my first step, and I'm going to just go in and fluff out the second eye. I want to show you guys how quick it is when I'm not talking through it. It's literally like one and done. Boom. Eye look. You can be out the door in a heartbeat, looking fierce and fresh and full face. So now what I'm going to do is go in with a fluffy eyeshadow brush. This one is from ColourPop. It's a little bit more dense, but it's great for fluffing shadows into the crease or for blending. Find a blending shadow brush that is a little bit denser so it can really pick up the product. If you already own ColourPop brushes, that's what I would recommend y'all use, but if you do not, just find something in your collection. You can still do this look totally with just your fingers, but I love taking a brush, picking up just a little bit of the product, and fluffing it out into the crease. I feel like it gives it that really pretty blended look, which ends up making the shadow look multi-dimensional and like you're using more than one shade. You want it to look like you put a lot of effort into it, right? But we are just barely fluffing some shadow into the crease. As you guys can see, I am bringing it into my inner corner. I do have a little bit of Flexitarian highlight on my inner corner from when I highlighted, but we'll go back in and make it bright. For these one and done looks though, I really love bringing the color into that crease and into that inner corner because I feel like it makes the eyes look really smoky and bold and really pretty. So that's how easy it is to just fluff it out. I think it looks so nice. I want to say natural. This does not look natural. No one has naturally like mauve-y eyelids, but I feel like it makes the eyeshadow look a lot more effortless. Effortless and realistic. Like a realistic smoky eye. Does that make sense? Just like so. For the lower lash line, I go in with my ring finger still, and I just kind of smudge this all over and blend it in. I will go back over with a brush to fluff it all out, but it's one and done, guys. One and done. It's so fast. I'm going to try to not speed up the footage of this video too much so that you guys can really see what's happening. But yeah, I love how easy this process is. That's why I do this almost every single day. Almost every day. Okay, so my final step, picking up a little bit of product on that brush and fluffing and connecting. And this is where I kind of shape, give myself that little cat eye shape. I just love how multi-dimensional this looks. I've said that a couple of times now, but it really looks like you put so much more effort into it than you did. For some of y'all, maybe this is putting too much effort. For me, this is a pretty low-key eyeshadow effort. Okay, so this is what the eyes look like. I'll zoom you guys in so you can see. Really simple. It looks really pretty. Like I said, this shade really brings out the green tones in my eyes. My eyes are definitely more yellow with blue around them, but they look green, and that's what this does. It just makes everything look really bright and blended, and I love it. So now I'm going to apply mascara and we will be right back. Okay y'all, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll zoom you guys back out again so that you don't have to be super zoomed into my face and see my really messy mascara application. But I love how this turned out. This is just my favorite look. I'm so glad to share it with you guys because I do this all the freaking time and I've never talked about it on my channel before, which makes no sense. Also, this can't be a finished look without lip product. I don't have anything on besides chapstick. So let's go in. This is the Tarteist lip paint in the shade Birthday Suit that came with the Sephora birthday gift. I actually got an extra one of these, and so it is in my giveaway. So if you're coming across this video, I have a giveaway that's live right now. All you gotta do is be subscribed. I'll put the giveaway video up in the cards, but you could win this lip color as well as some other fun things. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For more videos from me, just click the little things right here and to subscribe, click my face. That's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see y'all next time on my channel. Bye guys!